if you can hire these people, if you can line up these people, 80 to 90% of your problems are going to get solved just because of that. But what I do know is somebody who is hungry for knowledge, hungry to learn, market is going to throw so much understanding, so much knowledge, so much data, so many experiences at you that you want people like in that spirit. Who do you need? You need people who are ready to roll up their sleeves, who are ready to get their hands dirty, who are not going to tell you, "Kya re, ye mera kaam nahi hai." So initial team, your first HR, your first finance person, your first engineer, your first marketer, your first salesperson is very, very important because they are going to just impact every living aspect of your company. And you have to worry about it from that perspective. You don't want the best, but you want people with best intent. You don't want the best skill because हो सकता है आप अफोर्ड ना कर सको, हो सकता है बेस्ट स्किल्ड टैलेंटेड मोस्ट टैलेंटेड लोग हो सकता है आप तक ना पहुंचे या आप उन तक ना पहुंच पाओ अर्ली डेज में बिकॉज यू आर नॉट नोन. बट if you can hire these people, if you can line up these people who have their heart at the right place, who believe in your vision equally, who actually want to work with you, who want to work on this idea, this project, this domain, this type, they want to serve this kind of customer, if they believe in the mission, 80 to 90% of your problems are going to get solved just because of that. Because skills वो सीख लेंगे, skills आप उनको सिखा लोगे, skills आप सब मिल के सीख लोगे. You will learn so much on the job. You will learn so much by doing. Your customers are going to teach you so much. Market is going to teach you so much that all that is going to be only valuable if you have those people who absorb like sponge. If you ask me today, will I hire somebody who is high pedigree versus somebody who is absolutely hungry to learn, can go out, way out to learn? I will still put my bets on somebody who is hungry to learn because I know that high pedigree, and we will talk about it, what that brings to table. It also has its own value, it has its own place. But what I do know is somebody who is hungry for knowledge, hungry to learn, market is going to throw so much understanding, so much knowledge, so much data, so many experiences at you that you want people like sponges कि वो सब कुछ सोख ले और फिर आके आप उसको वो आपके कंपनी में निचोड़ दे. Those are the people, irrespective of domain, irrespective of designation, irrespective of function, you actually want those people. So for early hires, here are my few learnings or tips. First of all, don't worry about degree, don't worry about their background, don't worry about, what they carry as a piece of paper, to show for their talent. There is a very high chance that if you only go for these checkboxes, you will fall for wrong kind of people. And by wrong kind of people, I mean people who believe they know, people who are entitled or feel entitled. प्रॉब्लम स्टार्टअप बिल्ड करते वक्त ये नहीं है कि यू विल हायर समबडी हु ओनली डजंट नो. मेरे को उन लोगों से डर नहीं लगता जिनको आता नहीं है. मेरे को उन लोगों से डर लगता है जिनको पता नहीं है कि उनको आता नहीं है. और मेरे को उन लोगों से और भी ज्यादा डर लगता है जिनको लगता है कि उनको आता है और उनको आता नहीं है. सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान आपका वो लोग करने वाले हैं जिनको एक्चुअली फीलिंग है कि उनको आता है, क्योंकि उन्होंने देखा है, क्योंकि वो स्मार्ट हैं, क्योंकि उनके ग्रेड्स अच्छे थे, क्योंकि दे आर फ्रॉम अ सर्टेन कॉलेज और अ सर्टेन यूनिवर्सिटी. बट फैक्ट इज दैट जब ऑन ग्राउंड आप काम करना शुरू करते हो, जब वो आपके साथ ऑन ग्राउंड काम करना शुरू करते हैं, लाइफ इज गोइंग टू थ्रो सो मच एट यू, सो मच क्रैप एट यू, that if you are the only way to consume all of that, the only way to come out alive from all that life is going to throw at you when you start working is that you just absorb everything and process it inside. If you are going to, catch things basis whether this is something that I want to do, this is something that I don't want to do, अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसा you hire somebody who basically is looking for an assignment basis what he or she should do or should not do, it will derail right immediately, right? Because these are early days. In fact, I can tell you that अर्ली डेज और लेटर डेज का कोई डिस्टिंक्शन है ही नहीं. अगर आपकी कंपनी किसी भी स्टेज पे है एंड जिस स्टेज पे आप पहुंचने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, द स्टेज दैट यू आर गनिंग फॉर इज मे बी 100x बिगर. It's a stage which is almost blurry for you in the vision. You are like, I want to go there and I don't even know what it looks like. It is so far off. There is a very high chance that your company is in startup mode. Reliance किसी भी एंगल से startup नहीं है. Reliance is a big ass large company with so many decades behind it. Third generation of the family. But I am 101% sure that transformation of Reliance from a petroleum, chemical, core engineering and that kind of business model to a tech company, to Jio, I think that transformation entire India has seen over last, under or rather half a decade. But I'm 101% sure that Jio felt like a startup. Jio must be feeling like a startup because with Jio, Reliance basically started gunning for something which was way beyond its own understanding, which was way beyond, its own character. They changed the DNA of the company. I'm just an onlooker. I'm not an insider of Reliance. I don't know what Reliance feels like today from inside. But from an outside perspective, I can tell you that what they have been able to pull off with Jio and what they are pulling off right now, I think I call Jio the biggest startup of India, biggest living startup of India today. In that spirit, who do you need? You need people who are ready to roll up their sleeves, who are ready to get their hands dirty, who are not going to tell you कि अरे रे ये मेरा काम नहीं है. मेरे अपने एक्सपीरियंस में I can tell you, and some of what I'm sharing comes from that. The longest standing colleague, teammate that I have today is 15 plus years old with me. He's somebody who I, hired in my previous company, in my first startup, and he continues to work with me today. In fact, there are 2 of them. I have 4 plus people who have spent a decade plus with me. And there are many, many more who are 7 plus year old, with us. Posist is an 11-year-old company. In an 11-year-old company, anybody who has spent more than 7 years or 10 years, they are the company. Company doesn't have them. They are the people who actually company embodies. They don't embody company. उनका कैरेक्टर कंपनी में है. कंपनी का जो डीएनए है वो सिर्फ मेरे से और साक्षी से और कुछ और लोगों से इम्पैक्टेड नहीं है. उन सभी का डीएनए कहीं ना कहीं है. उनकी अच्छी चीजें और उनकी बुराइयां वो भी कंपनी में है. जिस तरीके से मेरी और साक्षी की अच्छी बातें और बुरी बातें कंपनी के कैरेक्टर में हैं, ऑप्शन नहीं है, हटा नहीं सकते, कोई तरीका नहीं है. एक ही तरीका है हटाने का कि हम वो अच्छी चीजें और अच्छी कर लें और हम बुराइयां अपने अंदर से हटा दें, तो वो धीरे धीरे करके कंपनी में भी हट जाएंगी. हायरिंग इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आज जिस आदमी को आप हायर करने की सोच रहे हो ऐसे कि बस एक टेक कंपनीज में मैं सुनता हूं बस एक डेवलपर मिल जाए मैं फोड़ दूंगा. नहीं, देयर इज अ वेरी हाई चांस कि डेवलपर भी तुझे फोड़ सकता है. वो डेवलपर सही मिलना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. हमारे पास एक सेल्स का आदमी आ जाए, हम आग लगा देंगे. आग नहीं लगेगी, आग रिवर्स में लग सकती है. बिकॉज वो सेल्स का आदमी हो सकता है आपके काम, आपके कल्चर फिट ना हो सकता है उसको झेलने में आपका बहुत सारा समय, बहुत सारा पैसा, बहुत सारे रिसोर्सेज खराब हो जाए. और सबसे बड़ा, अर्ली ईयर्स के अंदर एज अ फाउंडर यू आर वेरी वेरी वल्नरेबल, यू आर एक्सट्रीमली सेंसिटिव. हर धोखा ऑफ एनी काइंड, टाइप एंड ऑर्डर is going to put a scar, on your soul. धोखे और परेशानी और problems that people can create will continue across your life. Scar की depth कम हो जाएगी because skin मोटी हो जाएगी, आपको सहना आ जाएगा. But इस initial years में आपको कोई scar ना करे, ये responsibility भी आपकी है. और इसके लिए हायरिंग के प्रिंसिपल्स खुद के लिए समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.